Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive Smart Chain using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section, you will see on the top of the screen there is send, receive, buy, or trade. Just tap on receive. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the Smart Chain currency. And if you tap on it, you will receive your QR code, which you can show to anybody. And if they scan it, they can send you Smart Chain, or you can even copy your address and send it to anybody. And using the address, they can also send you the Smart Chain. You can set amount for your receive for your link, and if you set this amount, you will receive a new code and the new QR code, a new address. If you send this address or this QR code, they can send you only this set amount of crypto that you just typed in. As you can see, 5,673. And if I send this link, they can use it to send me this amount. And you can also use the share button to share your QR code or your address on any different platforms very easily. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.